Hello. Uh, in front of you are a bunch of Tomica cars that I bought recently. A couple of these I got as a Christmas present, but I went out of my way and bought a bunch of these new Tomica models. There's some 24s, here's a 23, 2020. Um, Used to buy these a lot back in the day, kind of stopped, but I felt like treating myself for some reason. So, anyways, I'm not going to open all of these. No, I just have these. For starters, there is the Toyota Century. This box is a little smushed. The Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid and the Toyota Auqa, the cool Prius C that we don't get in the States. So I'm going to start with this one. And it's been a while since I've opened up some Tomicas. It's always really satisfying getting to peel into this plastic. Sometimes difficult. All right. Oh, there we go. It's a little better. Oh, man. There we go. Oh, look at this little guy. This one does not have any opening features. Too close, too close. There we go. It's got molded headlights and printed taillights and a badge. Very cool. I do keep the boxes. I have a whole tub full of Tomica boxes. Next up is the other Toyota. Maybe I can get into this without needing my pocket knife. Oh my gosh. Come on. There we go. All right. Oh, this is nice. I like this. It's got really nice details. It looks like the grille and the headlights are molded. Well, plastic molded things. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. And the way the lower half is molded to meet that trim line. This is a really nice one. Yes. It's a 1/70th scale. Now, these two, definitely not the correct scale. 1/59th for the Auqa and 1/70th. So that's it's kind of a difference. This is quite a small car compared to the Century. That's okay. I've noticed that Tomica is not very consistent with the scale of their cars, but that's all right. I will ignore that because, gosh, these are really nice. Come on. Yeah, quite like these. And the Outlander. And this one I actually was able to get into, sort of. Here we go. Incredible. Make it difficult for dang adults to get into. New for 2023. So weird. It seems like all of them have been sideways in the box so far. That's fine. Oh yeah, he's a big boy. Look at him. That's nice though. Yeah, gosh, he's big. 163rd. 22 Outlander PHEV plug-in hybrid. It's got some really nice detail. Yeah, there it is. Little badging there. All right. Well, that's the first three, and I'm pretty pleased by those. So, ta-da! Toyota Century, Toyota Auqa, and a Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid. So there we go.